Yay!
I just put it to seed and
Good morning. Today we are getting ready to walk out the door to head to a U-Pick event at the farm that we get our CSA box from. So I'm getting the kids ready. Michael's at work today. I'm gonna start loading up the car and then we're gonna head out. And we're all getting ready for a day in the sun, which is why I'm wearing a hat. Except I like wearing hats, but I guess I don't wear them enough because I always feel like I look weird in them.
Turn it. Watch, Trace. I like this. This one is kind of hard.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's not quite ripe. Okay, well, let's do one. Trace. You want to go where Sister is?
Here, I'll help you. You want to go over there? Oh, a line right there. All right, try one of these. These are really low. Yeah, try one right there. Pull that one, twist it. Here. There!
you get my bag?
Yeah, it's right here.
Come over this way.
This is a nice one. What in your bag? You want another one? Oh, look at this one. This one is really pretty.
I found a snail and it has a shell.
Oh,
Shell?
let me see.
Shell?
Wow.
It's going up my arm. Oh.
We've kind of been catching our breath. I tried to get the kids down to nap, but that didn't happen. So we're just gonna relax. We left the house a disaster. So now when you come home to your house and it's a disaster, it feels like 10 times more overwhelming. I was saying we should just move. Like, it's so messy, we should just move. But anyway, I gotta start cleaning up.
And we just got back from farm with Mammal and I just put it to seed and just knows, but it was okay. Mama take care of it.
Okay, yes, that also happened. That was stressful. Thankfully, he was able to blow it out. I was like, oh my goodness, we're gonna have to go to the hospital to get it out. But he was able to blow it out. So, anyway, crisis averted, right?
Mama?
Yes.
No?
Yeah, you blew it out. Show us how you blew it out. Those are all the oranges we got. That's gotta be, I don't know, what do you think, like 10 pounds of oranges?
10 pounds? No.
No? They weigh about what Wyatt weighed at birth. More?
More or less. It's not 10 pounds.
No. I think it is. about 10 pounds of oranges. They have seeds, so we're gonna use them for juicing, but they're pretty flavorful, so I'm excited. I think the kids will love it. You push it? You vacuuming? In a second.
Gotcha. Don't fall. Don't fall this way. Don't fall this way.
Are you trying to get me? Whoa.
Okay, can you get down, please?
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Kids are in bed. Michael and I are cleaning up and getting ready to head to bed. I'm pretty tired, so is he. He woke up really early, so we're gonna wrap it up for tonight. I had a really fun time at the farm picking oranges. I was really surprised to see how many oranges those trees produce. Like, even trees that had almost no leaves had a ton of oranges on them, so that was really surprising, and I really enjoyed it. The smell in the orange grove was phenomenal. I love it. So thanks again for watching. Please give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and check back for our next video soon. Bye.